The Yaitali Tourist Owners and Drivers Association had met reporters on the 25th of November 2022 to inform about the challenges that the members are encountering while ferrying passengers traveling to the state of Assam. Speaking on the issue, the secretary of the association, Balajit Jirwa, informed that tourist taxi drivers have been harassed by Assam police while picking up passengers entering Meghalaya from Jorabad, which of late has been the drop and pickup point for travelers to both states. Further, Jirwa added that there are approximately around 30,000 people, mostly students from Meghalaya, who are still stuck outside the state and who have been frantically calling the drivers for a pickup home. At the same time, the secretary of the association said that while the Meghalaya police have their outpost at Barnihad, yet there is no support to the tourist taxi drivers as far as an escort to Jorabad is concerned. Jirwa also said that both the association from Meghalaya and Assam will be submitting a separate memorandum to their respective chief ministers and to the transport and tourism departments so as to request the concerned authorities to solve the ongoing issue at the earliest, failing which they will have to resort to agitation and other protests.
Tourist drivers jongka Assam but mangi ki Meghalaya namanta ni problems ni ke mga kumu secretary nong yalam ma te hamne hapo ka meeting ro ni la yabu ya ka agenda ba ya kani ki khamtam ki basakut shabar ki we state marbana nadu kani ka jingmi jongni ka huri hora plabun kata ka ki kena pule ki barali shim admission ki polishim admission nang tapat ki pa lishim dawai ki bun ki belasakut shabar ti ki layafun ini ban yarap mo ban pai ki kishnong ban ki ying jong ki te kat kum ka jingya kren jungi mene hapo Assam te kalong ba nakaliang coba Assam ki kinnya wan yabu be ki passenger bro khai hadu Jorabad te no Jorabad nya ferry hi mangi ki ML ki tourist kali jong ki ML na po Jorabad shishlo te ka ba ar kalong ba nakaliang jongki tourist association jongki Assam mi aero nado ki diesel ki petrol nanta apat ki traveler ki trucks te kilapan sngaw ini ba kani bro khai ke jingja bro khai kalong ke jingja ka basusi wat naliang jongki ru kala along ka basusi amar balai kani ka kata ka nado bekerja kani bro khai kala kata ka kamai ke jongi kamtam mangi le mi im lagi tourist IM ini bawan kai bawan IE te kalakta hai ka market ni ba khamtam le kumba menta upulet nakajela juni ya ki kali bawan nakawai ka state kila banai protection ni kila banai protection shadu she Jorabad shadu she Assam lo bakin lai handrai ya ki kali juni pat ki bami nang ni na state pat umran kum kata ni lawan mene shadu she Jorabad bani long ni ka meeting nilap di khmat na jong bagi pulit napo ka state juni napo ka Meghalaya juni kimdam hapo bodar Jorabad nilong kum ki kun sweat hangte ni syai kum ki kun sweat ni sya penyak ki pulit Assam ni sya kenjat nang ni sya khaman kadiang khaman te ni karpat ya ka sorkar ba ni police department ba kimpet ba kinyarap ini hakani ko por ka jinge kumbang nyarap ki pat ba dan haka jing nanta ki pasakut shawai ki state tingin kat mengila ni lale ya ka kam mo kumbang ide ban le ni lale kita barok khai te nakaliang jungi kerpat ni ka sarkar ba kadi ban sort out what ya kani ka problem ya kani ka issue ko bami mental mar kani kam kata tangingi ki banyak kali turis ndai kannya ka kata lang ya ki iwa ki ba kamai bela man kasi kamtam kiba bela misteri kiba bela kiba bela nong hayo hat te ka kta bha ye kiru wat yengi ru kala kta bha te nakaliang jungi kerpat ka sarkar ba bahkan nyarap bahkan pek lem yengi ban phai khmat lem shangi ru ke ya ki jungi ki bangi syam apo ki border area si pa bangi le chadu Guwahati Assam wat hakini kisni bala ja gini ru kidan ki kali jungi ki bala sha thambor kila sha pan yet kila driver kidan ki bala sha kata tiru hapo Assam te nakaliang jong ka sarkar government jong ka Meghalaya hi ni karpat ban kumba PI protection ni kiway ki kali ki bawan ni kiway ki driver bawan na kaway ka state hangni state jungi bakiyat te kumta hi mapiru pidi ban eye protection yang ni mangi ki try ni kum ka arrangement bangi bu kalau mereka baik kali kalau mereka kumju hi kumbayat miswa kata kalau ki sumo lies pa ban kali rek kan ya no andrus pa mata namar baki kali rek kidan gejing ki hap tap tang iway ne arngot ki passenger andai ki sumo ngidang la man adjust tak kuno promotion kakaway ka sumo. Nah kalian juga government of Bengalia te kampadon kanu advisory ban against traveling or anything like that. Tangba kan nginda pa ya po Jorabat pat kaya ki police na po Assam kang ini ban lechite under the protection that ba if you're going out of Jorabat kalong be at your own risk.
Yo kum kata ka
Hoy nginda lali ha Jorabat ru finyo be ya kata ka advisory kin ong be ki pulit hang to lada. If you're crossing Jorabat it's on your own risk. And ya kumjuhi kaya iki Assam vehicles, but if you're crossing into Meghalaya, it will be on your own risk. We are not giving you any protection.
amor bro aliang ki pulit
Ki rakti be kunta.